You're going to be a VBAC coach. And what you want to know is the why, the how, the what, the when, and maybe the who. So let's start off with the why. Why do women want a VBAC? And within your family, you need to discuss it. There are lots of reasons. But you also are trying to figure out, why do women hold on to their birth experience so intensely? And that has to do with the fact that it's infrequent, it's a one-off experience, it can't be replayed, and the memories last a lifetime. She wouldn't be holding on to the birth experience if she was having babies as often as we eat during the day. And why should you be very engaged and competent birth coach? She's got to do the work, and honestly, she wants somebody to help her to do the hard work, getting this big object out of her body. And you do not want the potential risks of a VBAC to become a problem. And when you prepare her body and learn the skills so she copes, you are reducing or preventing those risks from becoming a problem. And that problem may not become a tragedy. It just becomes a problem, and she's more likely to have another cesarean. And you don't want her to suffer because she's not coping. And so how do you do that? Well, you commit yourself to helping, even if you're terrified and you're not certain about this. Just look at birth as a plumbing exercise. The fathers who developed BirthingBetter they got it. They developed the body skills, and you'll love them. So start as close to 24 weeks as possible. But if she's 40 plus weeks now, at least do some of the body skills, because any skill is better than none. And have her do all of the body skills on you first. You'll stop being mystified about her body, and you'll know exactly what you need to accomplish. And then prepare her birth canal 5 minutes a day from 32 weeks onward. Because if a grapefruit was coming out of your penis, you'd prepare it. So what do you need to do? And what is this all about? So a big object has to open up, come down through and out of a container. And you can prepare that container to open up, create space, be mobile, and soft inside. The body skills are easy to learn. They don't need to be practiced if you feel she really gets them. You just know that they're there if she needs them. And then also do the birth and birth coaching skills. That has to do with not wanting her to suffer and how to work through the naturally occurring pain of labor, which is the hard work. It's hard and it's painful. So your job is to help her cope immediately. As soon as you start seeing her being uncomfortable, then help her. And when you share skills, this is possible. When do you do all of this? Well, you learn the skills and you practice most of them while you're doing other things, and start early in the process of labor so that you get into the habit of using these skills while she does the activity of birthing this baby. Use these skills alongside all the assessments and monitoring procedures. They're just part of the standards of care of healthcare. Now, who's the who? Whether you're supported by your birth providers or not, they see and hear how the woman is coping. They don't want her to suffer, and they don't want there to be the risk to become a problem and a tragedy. So they also see how you're helping or not. They don't care so much about what you're doing, but you care about it, and she cares about you. You are the second most important person in the baby's life next to the birthing woman. When you are a skilled birth coach for a VBAC, birth professionals will absolutely love you. If she ends up with another surgical birth, just keep using the skills to commit to working through this birth journey that you and your baby and the baby's mother are taking together. And you're doing it for this one-off, very big, life-transforming activity.